See? That's how the protein's at.
Here.
Ah, it's that purple. See?
Huh? Yeah, it's stuck in her throat.
There we go.
There we go.
There it is. Babe, this carpet lets out little stringes. It's sticking the baby's nose down.
Driving her to mine. Gator, get the mouse. There you go.
Stimulate the puppy.
Number 2, 1,
Stimulate the puppy. There you go. There you go. There you go. You gotta stimulate the puppy. There you go. Make sure the puppy's okay. Okay, then Mama lick her. Come on, Abigail, lick her. Good.
Good baby.
Good girl. She stimulated her.
232.
232. Second one.
There we go. Gator, go for the first
Come here, Abigail.
Take care of her. There you go. Let's get this one going. Good girl.
Good, Abigail.
That good. Oh yeah, good mama. There you go. Good mama. Uh-oh, we got a little bark. All right. Good.
Yay, Abigail.
Okay.
Here's your baby. Here's your baby. Yay,
There you go.
Good, Abigail.
That's a good girl.
So about 45 minutes in between each puppy.
And then we got Jake over there. He's looking. No, Jakey, you don't come in here. You're not allowed in here.
It's okay, Abby. Abigail.
This is puppy number 2.
Abigail.